Hello everyone. Look at us. Get honey down there. That road closure, come on. Take this group too. The last video. It's up here. It's here. Can't run. This wind. Where do we take the secret? It's down there. Look at this group. Successfully won. The wind up there is so strong. Oops, can't run away. Run to where? What is this place? Where is it? It is estimated that it is difficult to obtain the secret. Inside the cave. It will be very fierce if it is blocked at this time. Ah, there's no way to get the secret. Look above. Go back and see where we open from. Observe it. What's it like? Hey, see the beehive. Hey, there's a chance. Hey. If it doesn't work here, let's dig from above. The top is also broken. All alone. It should be covered with white foam. Above. It should be possible to get the secret, right? You should be able to pick it up. We only took out this one stone. Knock it and it's broken. There's nothing you can do in here. I can't take out the big one inside this big one. You can also take honey. Looks like an empty nest. Although this hive is not wide, but it's still quite long. The skin is very old. Oops, this tide is too old, it's broken. This bee, it fell into my eyes like rain. Oops, I don't know. How many years has that lair? The secret room is a little bit like this, the less dense one. He has honey in it. This nest. How did this split? Ah. Okay. This piece of honey is going to be bigger. Oh, this old man. It was broken. What we just took is still broken. Look at this whole page of the lair. Ah, there's so much density in here. Like this. It cuts them all off. It's all honey in it, and it's dried here. Oh. Old enough, old enough. Can you take out the whole handful of this one? Look here, it's glued here. Long enough? Like this. That's long enough. Oh, dear. Take a close-up. Old irons. Sure. Very satisfied with this group. Oh, this whole bunch. Slender. Let's cut this honey first. Wait a minute. It's a mess here again. Mess up into a pot of porridge. I'll take another group later. Come on. Let's take this out. How many boards are there? Oh, dear. Not bad, not bad. Okay, this hole is all ready. Cover up today is a perfect day. Harvest full. Looking forward to next year. Okay. Yes, I'm very satisfied. Then we will reach the return home. Lao Tai, looking at Zhao Long looking for the wine seems to be very simple. In fact, it is also very simple. Is this going along the wind road? Okay. This Be Wild TV video will be shared here. See you. Bye.